Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is the nucleus. What is nucleus? Actually, nucleus is the control center of the cell and it controls all the activities of the cell. The nucleus is the largest organelle of the cell and it is dense spherical organelle. It occupies about 10% of the total volume of the cell. Mammalian cells, the average diameter of the nucleus is approximately 6 micrometers. Semi-fluid matrix nucleus is also seen inside the nucleus, which is viscous fluid and is similar to the composition of the cytoplasm. First discovered by Robert Brown in 1831, and the word derived from it means kernel, and kernel means is the seed. Nucleus has 4 parts and the main parts are the nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, karyoplasm, nucleolus or chromatin network. Nuclear membrane is a double layer membrane bounded structure which is porous in nature. It has pores so that the material can be exchanged from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm is the is inside the nuclear membrane, is a structure which is fluid in structure, and that's why it is called as the nucleoplasm. And the third one is called as the nucleolus. Nucleolus is the large 2 bodies or more than 1 bodies are present in the nucleus, and it is a patchwork of the granule. They are the RNA synthesizers, where the RNA is synthesized and it contains RNA and formed from the DNA, and later mRNA comes out from the nucleus to the cytoplasm and then the protein formation. And chromatin network is a thread-like structure which contain the karyoplasm and the genes and the DNA. chromatin network आपको यहाँ पे नज़र आ रहा होगा, कंडेंस स्ट्रक्चर है, DNA और जीन्स के ऊपर कंसिस्ट कर रहा होता है, जेनेटिक मटीरियल इसके अंदर होता है। और न्यूक्लियस जो है वो आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन है, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन पोरस है, फिर उसके बाद आपको न्यूक्लियर जो है वो न्यूक्लियोलस नज़र आ रहा है, उसके बाद जो है वो आपके पास क्रोमेटिन मटीरियल्स आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं, और जो प्लाज्म फ्लूइड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है वो न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म पे कंसिस्ट कर रहा है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। इफ़ यू लाइक